Once upon a time, there was a little girl by the name of Little Red Riding Hood. Interruptions. I'll never catch up with my reading.
I'm Little Red Riding Hood.
What's the matter, Red?
I was on my way to Grandma's house when some fink wolf jumped out of a bush and took my pizza pie.
Where is this wolf?
He's creeping behind some bush, sir.
Okay, Red. From here on, I'll take over. Oh, Wolfie, Wolfie, I got something for you.
I am a vicious wolf, and I am out to get me a big, fat grandma.
Oh, I'm off to see my grandma with a basket full of goodies. I'm off to see my grandma.
Hello, Little Red Riding Hood. What you got in the basket?
Goodies.
What kind of goodies?
Apple pie.
Let me have it. That was a stupid thing to do. Hand over the goodies, Red. If you don't, I'll huff and I'll puff and blow your basket in.
Save your breath, Wolf. I've got something for you. A plum pudding.
Thanks a lot. I'll put in my thumb and pull out a plum. That was a silly thing to do.
Oh, I'm off to see my grandma with a basket full of goodies. A goodie here, a goodie there, a goodie everywhere.
That was an unintelligent thing to do. I will take a shortcut and get there first. I'm off to see my grandma. Oh, Grandma! That was an unsmart thing to do. Oh, Grandma! It is me, Grandma. That was an uncouth thing to do. That's what I will do. I will call Grandma. Operator, I want 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Open up, Grandma.
Come in, honey, whoever you are.
You gotta get out of here, Granny. Here's a ticket to the ball game. Hurry, out the back door.
But I'm not dressed for a ball game.
It's a night game. You can go in your nightgown.
Land sakes.
Hey there, Grandma. Open up, or I will huff and I will pop and blow your house in.
Just a minute, honey.
By the hair of my chinny chin chin, I'll blow the door in.
The door's open, stupid. Come in.
Are you Grandma?
I'm not Cleopatra, honey.
Ooh, Granny, what a big beak you have.
All the better to peck you, my dear.
That was an unfriendly thing to do.
Ta-ta, Wolfie dear. just got rid of the wolf.
Rid of him? For 30 years, I've been trying to marry that wolf, and you got rid of him.